Hello guys, I am Abhishek and from 3rd BCA. My topic is about tightrope, about author and translator. Author Kanu Acharya writes fiction on Adivasi life and has also written biographies in Gujarati. This story highlights the life of marginalized around Gujarati. His works are known as realistic values. Translator Rupel Burki is a head of Department of English in college at Ahmedabad. She uses her writing and translating skills in English, Gujarati, and Hindi for cultural activities. Story in simple words. The story is all about diet plan. Diet plan changes family to family. The most important thing we learn in the story is value of food, money, education. Next about characters. Baba is a main role in the tightrope. Our teacher, mother, and Tago brother. Tago is brother of Baba, and Baka is a classmate of Baba. Janti, she is also classmate of Baba. Surabi, Surabania is also a classmate of Baba. Now next comes about Baba family. They are belongings to Bajania family. Baba father used to rotate a plate on a finger and then pass it through other finger and then pass it to the in his other finger also. How the plate spin, just like spinning top. Then he would transfer it top smooth ended wooden pole and the balance it in his teeth. Baba brother Tago would run on the rope, then stand on the plate and slide it along the rope from one end to another end. Everyone will be cheered loudly as Wah Bajania, what a feat. Now summary. In class teacher was teaching about his basic diet plan and suddenly teacher have questioned Baba. Baba, tell me about what happens when one does not take a balanced diet. But Baba don't know anything about the diet and he don't even know what is salad. He was thinking that is really a big list and it's only for one day. He was shocked. He was confused with the list of diet plan. And he was thinking about his mom and asked his teacher that my mother has drastically lost weight. She cannot sleep a wink at night because of nagging cough. She reduced to skin and bones. Teacher replied, that is all deficiency of carbohydrates, fat, protein, iron, calcium, phosphorus, zinc, magnesium, potassium, fiber. Baba have listed a few food items which contains protein and vitamins. Baba returned home and he said his mother to she is weak because lack of vitamins in her body. Baba explains to his mother what all food items she need intake. Baba comes to home and he will explain to her mother. Mother shocked by seeing Baba's knowledge or Mother was explaining to Baba regarding his poverty. Once Baba go to grocery shop and buy healthy food. He don't enough he was not having enough money to buy food items. One day Baba find a banana in the bag and he shocked by seeing that. He gave a banana to his mother and his mother will refuse to take it because they believe the food they take without hard work the blood will change into water. And later Baba have forced his mother to eat complete banana. Next day also Baba find eatable things in his bag and his mother have started shouting on him and took him to his Hanmati and asked to promise his mother seeks for forgiving his mistake. Her mother thinks he is a thief from. On next day Baba hides his bag to find who is culprit and he yells And he see Jatinda. Baba don't want to Jatinda help, and Jatinda seeks sorry, and he make Baba understand about his mother poor health. Now their enmity turned into friendship. After the Jatinda and Baba used to play everything evenings, but one day Jatinda did not come to play, so Baba went to his home to call him, but Jatinda's stepmother have regretted to talk his Baba because they are Bajanias. His mother shouts badly on Baba. She insulted Baba for his looks and about his caste. She scolded Jatinda for making friendship with Bajania boy. Jatinda took Baba outside of his house and he tells Baba that she is stepmother. So now Baba realized why Jatinda is concerned for his mother. Now conclusion. From this story we can understand the value of food, education, health and friendship. Thank you.